Luckiest People, Part 2. A man was driving through the fog and over patches of black ice, making sure he was very cautious. He was going to pass the truck, but decided not to be safe. However, he lost sight of the truck around the turn, and when he spotted it, it was in the middle of the road. He tried to swerve right, but couldn't avoid the truck. His car then stalled in the middle of the road as another truck approached. The driver of it saw the disaster ahead and swerved left into the guardrail. The car was absolutely crushed. However, he made it out alive with 2 bandages on his right ring finger and an ice pack on his eye.